Okay, welcome again, learners, to another stage of this tutorial. Okay, at this stage, you're going to learn after getting all your takeoff values and everything. We're going to see how you're going to price. Okay, so if you're going to price, necessarily you will need what is called the material database. So I'm trying to show you how to build your material database. So I am using Excel to draft. At this stage, you don't need the Planswift software anymore. So you need to get your data from the market. If you can see from here where my cursor is, it's showing me market or open market. So where you are going to get your material. So that dynamics will appear. So this is how I've drafted mine. I have the whole template also for learners to also buy and have easy use, but I need to show you here. Probably some learners are conversant with Excel and get to the market and do their own draft. Okay, for instance, I've done it in groups. Okay, so you can do the way you want. I am looking at, let's say, from my sheet, cement and aggregate. Okay, so I'm looking at an item under cement, like cement. In Ghana here we have gasem. It's a type of cement, 50 kg. The unit is bag. Okay, so 1 unit is 95 cedis. My source is from the open market, so I have detailed it. Please let's note here, you might want to do your pricing monthly, like in every month, or as you see the variations in the market, you do your data base of material like that. So I have detailed it for me to know when I updated the material, which is cement here. Okay, and I'm saying that after I buy it at 95 cedis from the market. Okay, by the time I will bring the material to site, transport, loading off and everything ready to be used, the material would have come to this rate. After would have come to 104.5. Okay, with a 10% on delivery and everything inclusive. Okay, the same thing with all other items here. So by the time I am trying to calculate something, wherever I need cement price per 50 kg one, I will use this price. Okay, so the same with all various materials that will be needed in the project here. So as you can see, I have various materials that will be needed. So I need to get this database and do my calculation. So for instance, under plywood, I have 25 mm by let's say here you will say 1 inch. Okay, 25 mm is 1 inch by 1002 by 2400 thick plywood. Okay, it doesn't have any necessary units in pieces. So how much is it? So let's assume, it's an assumption, this is the price. So that's 300,000. It's just an assumption. So if we have to change it to 300, so I change it automatically. If you realize, my price would have changed here with this calculation embedded. Okay, So the same with the next item. If I'm to change the pricing to say same 300, automatically everything should be changing, right? So it goes like that for all other items under my material database. So if I need a material under finishing, or say block, you can see from a block, I go to block, then it moves me to block directly. Okay, so I look at the type of block, the size, unit, price, and everything as I explained earlier how it comes. So I'll use this price for the particular description of block whenever I need it for my pricing calculation. I hope this is well enough to explain how to build a material database for my pricing in the bill of quantity. Thank you very much.